Punt AI is one of the latest AI tools making waves, and in this review, I'm going to walk you through 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about this software if you're considering it for your digital marketing needs or business operations. Let's get right into it. First off, Punt AI is a game changer for businesses looking to automate tasks and streamline operations with AI. It's just been released, but it's already generating buzz due to its user-friendly interface and advanced capabilities. One of the things I really like about it is how accessible it is, even if you're not super tech-savvy. It doesn't overwhelm you with a complex setup process, which is a relief for those who need results without spending too much time figuring things out. Now, if you're new to AI tools, you might be wondering what makes Punt AI stand out. Well, the software is designed to solve real-world business problems by automating repetitive tasks, allowing you to focus on more strategic efforts. Whether it's email marketing, social media management, or content creation, Punt AI has powerful features to help you do more in less time. One of the biggest advantages of Punt AI is its integration capabilities. It seamlessly connects with major platforms like Google Ads, Facebook, and even CRM systems, making it a powerful tool for digital marketers. You won't need to juggle multiple software systems. Punt AI brings everything together in one spot. But here's something really exciting. Punt AI is built to help businesses scale. If you're running a growing company, this tool can be a key player in boosting efficiency without scaling your team at the same pace. Its smart analytics can help you track performance and adjust strategies on the fly, which is a huge advantage when managing multiple campaigns across various channels. Also, one feature that sets Punt AI apart is its predictive analytics. By analyzing past data and trends, it helps you forecast outcomes, making decision-making easier and more data-driven. This feature is a game changer for businesses looking to optimize their ROI. And don't worry about quality. Punt AI leverages natural language processing to craft content that feels human, whether it's blog posts, social media captions, or even email responses. If you're managing a lot of content, this AI tool will save you hours and still deliver high-quality results. You can also try Punt AI completely free through the first link below. Yes, you heard that right. You get full access to test all its features without any commitment. So you can see for yourself how it can improve your workflows. So why should you care? Well, if you're in digital marketing or managing any business operations, tools like Punt AI are becoming essential. It's an investment that can pay off massively in time saved, and the ease of use is truly top tier. Before we wrap up, don't forget to check out my recommended AI tools in the description. I've tested thousands of software solutions, and I only share the ones that are worth your time. Punt AI is definitely one of them. Give it a try, and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.